If you're looking for an omega supplement that doesn't make you have a nasty aftertaste or the fishy burps, let me show you what you've got to get. This is your best option on the market. It has no aftertaste. Let me show you the pills here. Oops, let me see if I can do it this way. But here's the little capsule. There's no aftertaste. It just glides right down in your stomach. It's gentle on your stomach, and the best part, no burps, no upset stomach, just easily digest and so good for your body.